Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to memorize some vocab that is from, I think from the number 12 until 48. And the first, and this vocab is about like a healthy body or healthy personality. So it's like a healthy topic. Let me start it. The first is mental health. It is kesehatan mental. I will test your mental health. The next is stress. Stress is I think is Indonesian also stress. So the meaning I think you know about it. That is stress. The next is stress. You will be stressed is if you always thinking about it. And the next is anxiety. That is merasa cemas. I will anxiety later. Next is depression. Depression is Indonesian is depresi. I ever feel depression before. Then fatigue, kelelahan. I always feel headache when I get fatigue. That is kelelahan. Recovery, that is pemulihan. I need a long time to recover this injury. And then therapy. I always do therapy once a year. Then after therapy is aerobic, that is senam aerobic. My mother always follow aerobics in my city. The next is sprint, that is kesleo. I ever gotten sprain in my hand and in my leg. And the next is fracture, that is patah tulang. I ever get fracture in my hand. And the next is physiotherapy, that is physiotherapy. I will do my physiotherapy. First aid, that is pertolongan pertama. I always do it when I do first aid. And then medical check up, that is pemeriksaan medis. I always do medical check up before it. Next is blood pressure, that is tekanan detak jantung. I always count my blood pressures and then blood pressures, that is tekanan darah. I know my blood pressures. Then respiration. You have some problem in your respiration. And then balanced diet, that is keseimbangan pola makan. I always keep my balanced diet. And then well-being is kesejahteraan. I feel well-being every night, every time. Hygiene, that is kebersihan. I always do hygiene. And then illness, that is penyakit. There are many illness, or there are many types of illness in the world. And then under illness, infection, that is infeksi. Your injury, it will be infection. The next is fever, that is demam. I will fever now. And then flu. Flu is flu. I get flu last night. After flu is cold, that is batuk. I never get cold before. And then sore throat, that is sakit tenggorokan. I ever get sore throat last month maybe. After sore throat is like dizziness, that is pusing. I ever get dizziness when I think when I sleep or when I sick, but during sleep I feel so dizziness. And then the next is vomiting, that is muntah. Do you ever get vomiting? After vomiting is like allergy, that is allergy. I have some allergy in seafood. That is pain, rasa sakit. I always keep my pain. That is asthma, the asthma. I didn't have asthma. And then hypertension, hypertensi. Your your injury it will be hypertension, and then painkillers itu obat perintah nyeri. I always buy painkillers, and that is vaccine. I have get vaccine last night. Then after vaccine is like surgery, that is operasi. I always handle this surgery, and the last is injection, that is suntikan. I always change the injection. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ingin berasunya ayo modok Indonesia.